Sometimes we can forget that our teeth are just as important as our skin or hair and that they need lots of care too. So if you've been skipping brushing your teeth regularly, you're terrified of dentists but still want them to be sparkly white, then we've got the perfect routine for you. Oil pulling pulls out toxins from your tongue and between your teeth to prevent cavities and bad breath too. You can do it once a day, either in the morning before eating or before dinner. Take 1 tablespoon of oil, this can be either coconut oil, sesame oil or olive oil, and then swish it around your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. When the time is up, don't swallow the oil. Instead, spit it out in a cup or in the toilet so it doesn't clog your sink. Then you can follow up with a warm saltwater gargle to pull out any remaining oil. Floss first to get any food out from in between your teeth, and then make sure to brush for at least 2 minutes twice a day or whenever you eat. Make sure you're getting rid of bacteria on your tongue by using a tongue scraper after brushing too. This will prevent bad breath and cavities. Mouthwash helps give your mouth one last clean and will banish bad breath for the rest of the day. Just take a little in your mouth, swish it around, gargle it, and then spit it out. You can even make your own by mixing 1 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a few drops of peppermint oil. The baking soda will balance the pH level in your mouth and banish odors, while the peppermint oil will make it fresh. If you're looking for a natural way to restore the whiteness to your teeth, try turmeric. Dip your toothbrush in the powder and brush your teeth with it for 1 minute. Although the spice looks like it might stain your teeth, it actually helps to remove the stains. Try this twice a week and then follow up with normal brushing for whiter, brighter teeth. If your teeth stain easily, you should avoid drinks like tea, coffee, and cola, and avoid smoking too so that they never turn yellow. And finally, it's important to go for regular dental checkups once every 6 months to check for cavities and for teeth cleanings too. We hope you follow this routine to keep your mouth free of cavities, bad breath, and to keep your teeth sparkling white. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.